So if you can share your screen, you can open up your app, have you log in, and we'll do it from there.
Um,
Yay. All right. Save. Save.
Save.
Yeah. Great. All right. So yeah, this is the main page. Then I think we'd want to check on your circle, which I think has 10 people. Yeah, open that. The 10 people who are here, are they people you used to recognize? Are they still the ones? Who are these?
Yes.
Yeah, who are these people? Is one of them the leaders you talked about or the active people?
Yes, but I think the second page is not. Um, all these people are active, all of them, but
Hmm. Okay. All right. So that's good. And like you said, you can create
not all of
WhatsApp.
them joined. I told them to join, but not all of
Yeah.
them. So I'm still going to remind them.
Right. Yes. So basically, when you create your WhatsApp group and they all join there, that's where I guess everybody uses WhatsApp, and then you can use that to remind people to do different things. What you find is, I mean, when you join the platform, that's how at least we can discover what's happening. In fact, there's now a point system that has been created. If you pick on Futuremakers all the way on the side menu, um, it's like the second one at the top. There you go. You see that people get listed and they have points, right? So you have 8 points. And they've come from the fact that you've added 2 groups, you've logged in 6 times, you've joined one circle. If when you host a discussion, you get points when people mark attendance in your discussion, and that's the highest points, I think. Right. So Mamadi is the one who built the platform. He has 41 points. Dalton is the Kenyatta University guy. He has 37 points. He has hosted 10 discussions, but he hasn't really gotten a lot of the points because people attend and they don't click mark attendance. So he's trying to work on that. Um, yeah, he should have many more points than now. But yeah, this way over time we would then get to a place where we start like ranking people, ranking circles. And from that, I know I'm doing that. So far, like companies and stuff have been asking, from time to time they ask, oh, who should we interview for something? I would now I have to tell them, but I don't want to be the one to tell them. I want to just say, go to this page and just search for people. Um, yeah, so this is a way to build all those points. Yeah, so discussions, let's schedule some these guys. You can see how it says KU dash impactful data visualization. So I think it's
Yes.
useful to write the name of your institution before the thing. So for yours, maybe ALU, then the column, then it will then you now say what it is. So according to our document, the first one would be informing people on what the AI career is like.
We've done that one.
Yeah, I think you've done it with the people who are there. The thing also is you now find that new people will be joining, so they might need
Yes.
to repeat some stuff. So they'll be breaking into cohorts, right? So you can create a discussion for the existing people who've done it already, but later on, new people might need to do that again. So for now, what's a good one to do? Maybe win over job recruiters is that's the
Mm,
yeah,
mm,
yeah, that's the third one on the top. Win over job recruiters. Yeah, will make it easier to scroll.
mm. It's no wonder.
Mm. So then the closest time is that GPT GMT plus 2. Okay.
Okay, September. We usually meet every Thursday. I think that is so far. That's it for now. There, okay, September 7th. Okay.
Is that typically a good day for you guys, Wednesdays?
Yes.
Okay. It's not my favorite time picker. So the one you just selected is yeah, so it's workplace skills, correct. Yeah. Um,
So,
lots of names, right? If you start typing, it should show up. On the physical link thing, I think you can just type and say Zoom link or something, and then you can add the link later. You can always edit this. Okay, so for this one, you probably just want to click on the circle, which is if you scroll down. Yeah, click on your circle. So that way to send everybody in your circle. Then if there are additional people you want to do, you can also click on their names.
yeah. So, are they going to get an email notification?
Yep,
Yeah, that is nice.
yep. Description, you don't need to. It's not required. So then I think you have everything so you can register. And that should work. I hope so. If it doesn't, maybe scroll all the way to the top to see if there's any buts to it.
It's loading.
Okay. Oh, that's an oddly long time to load. Okay, there we go. Great. All right. Fantastic. So it's there. And you can,
I can now add the link. Yeah.
yep,
Okay.
yep. Once you add it, you click on register at the, it should really say submit. But yeah, that, yeah, that button when you make any changes, you can always update it here. Yep. And then, so yeah, people have been invited now, but then they do need to, he really likes the word register. They need to register. Well, okay, yeah, that was registered. So yeah, you've registered for it now. And so if they come to the main page, or discussion page, um, they will see your thing listed there. I'm sure it would say just one person registered right now. And basically when they come here, they can scroll down. If you scroll all the way down, you will see the topic being covered. It's win over job recruiters, right? If you click on that, they will see all the resources related to it. So there are also some prompt questions. What do you find when you Google yourself? Yeah. Scroll up a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, here. Yeah, this so what do you find when you Google yourself? What web platforms do you use to tell professional world about your work? That's for people to just chat a little bit before they now jump into the presentation or the videos that are there. Yep. And then afterwards, you know, people should mark their attendance. To mark attendance is if you click back to the discussion page, Okay, yeah, you can select your discussion. You can see just one person registered, right, which is you. Here, if
Yeah.
you click on attendance link, that one, yeah, and then to mark attendance, you type in, there'll be a question that says, what did you learn in the discussion? Things like that. You type that out and you click on submit, and that's it. And then
Um,
you get a point, the host gets a point, and that's it.
I want to check if I get the email.
Okay,
Hmm. Oh yeah,
you
but
got it.
um spam. So I'll just inform them to remove it
Mm,
from the spam posting. Yeah.
okay, that's awesome. To change to manage this discussion, right? If you want to make changes, do you know how to get there? You click on profile.
And profile.
Yeah, profile is on the menu on the left, right to that one, and then you can see all your things you've created on the top. So if you look up, there's discussion topics, blah blah blah. So click on discussions, and it will show you all the discussions that you have created. Then you can manage.
Manage.
Yep,
Okay.
yep. So that's where we're at so far. Things are working, but I can clearly see some things need to be moved in terms of UI UX. You're a UI UX person, right? You wanted to do
Yes.
an internship on that. Yeah, I'm observing some things that it's good to move. So I'll chat with the developer to move them around. But that's it. That's it. That's it. Yes.
Okay.
Well, we created one. You should create the others. Let me send you screenshots of the list of things, right? Right now you did win over recruiters. I think you should do history of um history of African innovations and why Africa fell. So I'll send that to you over message and then you can
Okay.
do it after the call. Let me see. Is it the next three? Yeah. Before I run, anything else we should talk about? Any questions?
No, everything is fine.
Fantastic. All right. Well, we'll be in touch. You know where to find us if any questions. But good luck with the club and good luck with school and your internship.